Want to make $1 million? Noah Kagan says you can do it in a weekend. That's the bold premise of his book, $1 Million Weekend. It's a roadmap for launching a 7-figure business in just 48 hours. This isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. It's about taking massive action. It's about hustling and making your dreams a reality. Are you ready to step up? Let's dive in. This book is a call to action for aspiring entrepreneurs. It's a guide to escape the 9-to-5 grind. Kagan's approach is practical and results-oriented. He provides a clear framework. This framework empowers anyone with a great idea to turn it into a profitable business. The $1 Million Weekend concept is about challenging yourself, push your limits and achieve what you thought was impossible. The beauty of this concept is its simplicity. You don't need years of experience or a huge budget. What you need is passion, a willingness to learn, and the guts to execute. Throughout this essay, we'll explore the key principles outlined in $1 Million Weekend. We'll examine how they can help you unlock your entrepreneurial potential. Get ready to be inspired to take action. Noah Kagan is a name synonymous with hustle and entrepreneurial spirit. He's not just a tech guru, he's a force of nature. His journey is an inspiration to anyone who dares to dream big. Before founding AppSumo and Sumo Group, Kagan held coveted positions at Facebook and Mint. These experiences provided invaluable insights into building successful businesses. At Facebook, Kagan was employee number 30. He witnessed firsthand the meteoric rise of a tech giant. He saw the power of innovation and rapid growth. At Mint, he played a crucial role in the company's success story. He understands what it takes to create products that people love. However, Kagan's entrepreneurial journey wasn't always smooth sailing. He faced his share of setbacks, including getting fired from Facebook. But these experiences only fueled his determination. He bounced back, stronger and wiser. He founded AppSumo, a platform that helps businesses grow. He also created Sumo Group, a suite of marketing tools for online businesses. Kagan's story is a testament to the power of resilience, adaptability, and a relentless pursuit of one's passions. He embodies the entrepreneurial spirit, encouraging others to embrace failure as a stepping stone to success. His journey is a beacon of hope and a reminder that with hard work and dedication, anything is possible. Please share, like, and subscribe to get more such insightful content.